boy double plumber. So we're running one small. So it's already done. It's completed already. Okay? Yeah. You understand? So what am I saying? When you want to work for your customer, please try to advise the person to buy original or quality materials for you. You understand? So talk to the person, tell them the reason they need to use. There's nobody is building house that don't want to use it. If the person insists, you can look. But let for me, sometimes learn how to refuse work. Tell them that you are not, instead of spoiling your name. You understand? Go get thick pipe. You cannot even buy maybe some quality ones, but get something that will last for the person. You understand? And some plumbers I always get complaints that whenever they give some plumbers money for quality materials, they will go and buy rubbish, go and buy ordinary stuff. It's bad. It's bad, and God will not bless you that way. You understand? When they give you, let me show you something. Just watch. See this pipe now. This is the thickest 4-inch Jomo pipe. You understand? When your customer pay for it, give them what they pay for. You understand? Give them what they pay for. So, nobody can stop it. I wanna be celebrated, don't wanna be depreciated. My love for sweet overrated. This is the great. Make it look